Hey guys, this is Judy from Judinka Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have live swatches on the new MoonShine Mani July releases. Phoebe from MoonShine Mani sent me her new July nail polishes that are releasing on July 10th. This includes the new Friends collection that's named I'll Be There For You, and I also have a polish from her Project Dupe It collection, which is a dupe for OPI's Mermaid Tears. Thank you so much, Phoebe, for sending me these polishes, and I do have to say that I really like all of them. However, the OPI dupe, the No Tears Left to Cry, the formula on that one is a little bit thicker, so I would recommend you to do probably 2 to 3 thinner coats. I did 2 thicker coats, but I do find it that the polish is quite thick, so it's not pursing the polish as evenly as her polishes typically do, but I still love it. Once it levels out, it's a really beautiful polish. From the Friends collection, Must Smoke Joy is my absolute favorite. It's a beautiful bright neon color. It kind of leans between green to yellow, but it's definitely more on the green side, and you don't need white under it either, so I really enjoyed it. So let me guys know which polish is your favorite after you watched my swatch portion, and if you do enjoy this video, then please give me a thumbs up, and of course if you're new here and you don't want to miss out on any of my future videos, then also hit the subscribe button. As always, I will link for you everything in the description box, but as I said, these polishes are releasing on July 10th, and none of these polishes is going to be a limited edition polish, so you definitely have time to purchase them. But really, the Friends collection is beautiful. I would definitely recommend it to you, and the Project Dupe It polish is not necessarily my most favorite from Phoebe, but it is still really pretty, and I also can't really compare it to the original polish since I don't own it. Anyways, let me guys know what are your thoughts. I think that's it, so I'm gonna jump into the swatches. Keep watching. Thank you so much for being here today, and I will be back with some more soon. So thank you. Bye bye.